Introducing the Emergency Situation Kit, or ESIT. So I was going down the YouTube rabbit hole for bug out bags, and I came across a video review on the 72 Pro from Uncharted Supply Co. The video was done well, and I really liked the concept. The idea made sense. A structured, organized system that keeps critical gear protected and immediately accessible. So I went to the website, and I about crapped my pants when I saw the price. $629, and that got me thinking, what if I could build that and tailor it specifically to my needs? So I went to Amazon and ordered the materials to build the system. Dry bag, structural components, hardware, everything needed to create a rigid bifold insert. As the supplies started trickling in, I began with measurements and mapping out where the items would go. Before anything was sewn, everything was laid out full scale. Working through positioning before committing to construction, this is where the structure of the system takes place. Construction follows industrial load-bearing standards. Handles and stress points reinforced with box and X stitching. Heavy webbing at key load points keeps the gear secure and stable. An elastic retention configured for secure hold and rapid access, built to maintain structure under stress. The insert functions as a standalone modular unit, a rigid bifold configuration. Internal boards provide the structural backbone of the system while also offering secondary utility when needed. Stable, durable, purpose-built. This is the ESIT, the Emergency Situation Kit. In the next video, we'll do a comprehensive review of the components inside the ESIT. Now get out there and make your own adventure.